So, guys, since we understand the concept of subtraction, so we have been dealing with just base 2, base 10, base 2, base 10 since all this while. So, let me go back to addition. Let me go back to the addition that I've just explained. I don't know why this thing is below. Okay, is it clear like this? So, let's consider addition this time around. Addition of number bases, not in base 2. Let's say we have base 3, base 4, or base 5. So, let me just take one. Suppose we have 4, 1, 3, and I have 12. So, and this stuff you have here, let's say I want to add this thing. Let's say 413 is in base. Okay, how will I put it? How will I put it? Let me put let me put 4 here. Let me put 4 here and then 5 here. So let's say it's in base 6. This is in base 6. This one is in base 6. Now let's add this together. Where 443 is in base. I can't just write anyhow base. So that's how I'm trying to correct it. So if I write 443 base 6, I've explained in the first explanation, and I said this is valid. But suppose I go ahead and clean this 6 and I put base 2, then I'm wrong because all these digits are more than the base. So I hope you get that now. Now, if you want to add something like this, listen attentively. This is 3, this is 4. 3 plus 4, that is 7. Are you allowed to write 7? 7 is not in base 6, so you are not allowed to write 7. So now to get it clearly, 3 plus 4 is 7, but I can't write 7. Write the 7 somewhere here. Now ask yourself, how many 6 can you see in 7? Just one times. So that one times will serve as a remainder. One times. So 6 can go in 7 how many times? One times. What is the remainder left? The remainder is also 1. Okay? You might not understand the concept yet. I'm trying to add. Okay? Next thing is 5 plus 4. You understand it clearly from here. What's 5 plus 4? That is 9. 9 plus 1, that is 10. I can't write 0 carry 1. No. The 10, don't write 0 carry 1. You are totally, that would be very, very wrong. So just write the 10 somewhere here. So since you have 10, now ask yourself, how many 6 the base can you see in 10? It's still 1 times. So the 1 times will serve as remainder. 6 in 10 is how many times? Just 1 times. So what's the remainder? The remainder is what? Is 4. Abi now. So it's only the remainder you write here as a result. 4. Now you go ahead again. 1 plus 4, that is 5. Can I write 5? Yes, it's allowed. So this is the correct answer. See? Very, very simple. So please take notes. That's 5 plus 4 plus 1, which was 10. Don't just write 0 carry 1. It's not allowed. Write the 10 somewhere here. And then just ask yourself, how many, just like this thing just it works like modulus. Modulus. You know all this modulo stuff. So now, suppose we have, let me try to pick another question. Let's say we have 1, 6. Let's say we have 3, 2. And I want to add this number in base 6. So it can't be in base 6. Let's say base 7. Base 7. So what's 6 plus 2? That is 8. Can I write 8? No, because I need to write my answer in base 2. Trying to add. So 8, I have 8 here. And then I can write 8 in this place. So I said, how many 7 can you see in it? That's 1. The 1 will serve as a remainder. So what's the remainder? Remainder is 1. So again, what is 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1 is 4 plus this one that is 5. So this is the final answer. What if you want to do multiplication? Let's say 16 times 3 to base 7 base 7. So let's multiply. Let's see how it works. For multiplication, 6 times 2 is 12. The 12, not that you write 2 carry 1, is not allowed. Now ask yourself, how many 7 can you see in 12? Just 1 times. What is the remainder? The remainder is what? The remainder is 5. Yeah, 5 is allowed. So again, you go ahead. 2 times 1 is 2, plus the remainder that you just left here. That is 3. So I'm allowed to write 3. So that ends the work. Now again, 3 times 6, that's 18. Don't just write 8 carry 1. It's not allowed. 3 times 6 is 18. Write 18 somewhere here. This 18. Now ask yourself, 7, how many 7 can you see in 18? That should be 2. Yeah, sometimes 2 is 40. That should be 2. So the remainder now is 2, right? So you mean that what? Sorry, how many 7 can you see in 18 is 2. So this will serve as the remainder separate. But the remainder you actually have true, 7 in 18 is 2, then that's 14, then you made that 4. So you write 4. Then this remainder serve as what you're going to use to add to the operation. Now 3 times 1 is what? 3. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. So you can go ahead and add. 5 comes down. 4 plus 3, that is what? 7. Can you write 7? Is not allowed. Write 7 somewhere here. And then ask yourself, the base you have, 7 divided by 7, that's 1. Put the 1 here. Remainder what? Is the remainder you always write to be your result. So 1 plus 5, that's 6. So that's how it's 605. So that's how it works. So you can try this on your own. Try 141 times 23 is in base 5 in base 5. So try this. And also try this question. 122 times 1 2 in base 3 in base 3. And finally, the last one, 512 times 24 in base 6 in base 6. So just try this question. So let me just give you guide. The answer for this one is 4343. The answer for this one is 10011, and the answer for this one is 21532. So try it now. So please try this one first. So if there's still time, then you can go ahead and do this. So let just solve this one first and send me the answer. And if there's still time, I'll just quickly solve this for you, or we solve it together. Okay.